ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
We have made this Quran simple and clear for guidance. Who will step forward to receive its light? Today we will discuss a sound called bilabial-velar. Bilabial means involving both the upper and lower lips, and velar refers to the soft palate area. Therefore, a bilabial-velar sound is produced using both the lips and the soft palate together, making a sound such as
wa, wa.
Dear friends, now we want to apply short vowels pattern to the sound.
Wa, we, wo.
Dear learner, listen to the vowels once again.
Wa, we, wo.
Now we want to apply double vowels pattern to give stress and length.
Wa, we, woo. Waris, waris. Wukir, wukir. Waba, waba.
Dear learners, do you see how we can form a complete word using short and long Arabic vowels? Step by step, we will continue learning Arabic in this way. By doing so, you will not only be able to understand the Quran, but you will also be able to communicate in this language. Stay connected with the tutorials. Thank you.